Assalamualaikum, my name is Maham and I belong to 2 to 3 intermediate level. As you know, our intermediate level is going to be ended soon. So today I am going to tell you about my journey of intermediate level. In intermediate level, I have learned many activities like narration, direct, indirect and active passive. And also I improve my reading, writing and listening power. And also I have learned how to communicate with people in English and how to make stories with the help of vocabulary and how to give presentation in front of public. In short, I just want to say my intermediate level was going very well and it has boosted my confidence and also I have met the best classmates and the best teachers Sir Azad sir and they all are very supportive and very humble. That was my unforgettable and interesting journey. I hope you must have enjoyed it. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Irtaza. I am related from TLC intermediate level. I have today I am telling about what I have learned in this level and what I do in this level. I have learned so many things like scramble words and lot of verbs, new things and narrations. All the things that I have learned in my past, I have learned again and again in this level, and I practice a lot of that things. Activities like scramble words, communicate with other people, and make stories. Lots of things I have learned in this level. I have also learned how to improve my speaking, listening, and I also improve my grammar in this level. I have also learned English. I am also improving my English ability, learning ability in this level, and I hope, inshallah, in the advanced level, I have practiced more and more and become the good speaker of English. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Saramyan. I belong to 2 to 3 intermediate level from TLC. As you know, our intermediate level has just been ended. I am telling you how was my intermediate levels. Before starting intermediate level, I was really afraid and worried about. When I look back previous month, many memories come in my mind that English was challenge for me. But now I speak English easily. Moreover, in this level, I learn and practice so many things like I learned active passive, narrations, vocabulary, story make with jumble words. I also improve my speaking power, grammar, reading ability, writing skills, and I also improve my listening power. Now, I can communicate with people in English. I convey my message to the people easily. In short, intermediate level was good, and the most important thing that our teacher motivated us a lot in this level, and my confidence level has gradually grown up day by day. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I hope you are all fine. My name is Ahmed Ali. Today is my final solo presentation of TLC intermediate level. So let's start. I tell about my journey of TLC intermediate level. When intermediate level was start, I was facing some difficulties, but slowly I was understand. In intermediate level, I have learned a lot of new things like presentation and communication people and translating Urdu to English, and I was quite like critical thinking session and scramble and unscramble word session, lab tests and tenses and word games. I want to learn Arabic language and English language. When I start learning English, I was facing some difficulties, and this was my journey for TLC intermediate level. I hope you like my presentation. That's all from my side. See you next time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
My name is Sima. I belong to 223 intermediate level. As you know, I have completed my intermediate level. So I am telling you, I have very interesting story of my intermediate level. In this level, I have learned grammar structure, narrations and vocabulary. And also I have improved my writing, listening and speaking power. Sometimes I have faced many difficulties. My teachers solved immediately these problems. I have listened many motivational videos. That's why I have improved my pronunciation, and I have communicated with my classmates. Our confidence is gained. I hope you will like my very interesting story of intermediate level and have enjoyed it. Thank you.
My name is Hassan Nasser. Today my presentation topic is related to that how was my intermediate level. I have learned about the topic like active voice and passive voice and conjunction, adverb and conjunction and etc. I have done the activities like left test, speeches and also included games. And my listening is about next level. About all listening, comprehensive and reading skills is also good. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mariam and I belong to 223 TLC intermediate level. Today I am telling you about how was my intermediate level. You know my intermediate level is soon ended. In this level I learned so many things like tenses, verbs, comprehension, translation, reading, listening power, speaking, writing. And before starting intermediate level, I was really afraid. How could I speak English? How could I communicate people? How could I come in front of the camera? But now I can speak English easily. I can communicate with people easily. I can give my presentation in front of the camera. And in short, this level was good. Sir was boosted up my confidence level. It is all from my today's presentation. Thank you.